Hey, look here, guys. Yeah, welcome back to the channel, man. Listen, man. Young boy, the damn young boy pulled up on me, man. He pulled out his little slippers and shit. You know what I mean? Now, he think the old boy, you understand me, don't know how to step out when he step out with his old lady. You understand? Dog, open that box.
I already know what
open that damn box right there, dog. Good. Got him on it, huh? Look at that. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Look at that shit. Open out the box. Open out the damn box up.
I like those. Okay.
I see the young boy come over here fucking with me. Look at that. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that damn boy.
That's right there.
That's OG triple there, baby.
That's the Wizard of Oz.
That is OG triple there. You see what I'm saying?
That's it right there. I like those.
Look at the face of this young boy. Look at the face of this young boy.
Hey, you put a couple chains on with them boys.
Look at the young boy. Young boy, hey, look at you put this shit up. Yeah. Hey, look, you can put that shit up there, boy. Huh? Hey, man, but this what they do over here at the shop, man. You know, Chris Brown showed up, man, talking shit to the old boy. You understand me? OG had to go in the house and get a little something for him, you know? Hey, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all guys giving me a little bit more of your time today. Thank y'all for subscribing and liking and sharing. If you haven't, please do so. Today, 07. 04. I'm sorry, 04. Honda Odyssey. Idle control valve replacement. You know, van has these symptoms, and it also throw a code up and down idle, and then it throws a code, or it does both. So here's a few little steps on how to change this thing, idle control valve on a Honda Odyssey 3.5 engine. First step, you want to remove all your vacuum lines and your water outlet to your throttle body. Take your throttle body off. 12 millimeter bolts. You got 4 of them. Remove them.
2 nuts and 2 bolts.
2 nuts and 2 bolts, Mr. Charles said. Air box will come off first, guys. That's that common sense thing. First, take your air box off. Take your water outlets off. Make sure you plug that water outlet, because there's going to be some coolant that's going to run out of it, okay? Once you do that, you can remove the throttle body. Well, you can flip it upside down and get to your bolts here, okay? You see that? That's your water outlet. I just told you to unplug and plug it so the coolant will stay in the vehicle and not all over the place, okay? And once you do that, you go ahead and switch it out. Put your new one in there. It comes with a new gasket. And reverse order, put it back the same way. Airbox will be the last thing. It was the first thing that came off, but it'll be the last thing that goes back on, okay?
How you know?
And then you can crank the vehicle up, let it run for 3 to 5 minutes. That's how you put it back together. Bleed the system out if it has a bleeder. But my way of bleeding it when it doesn't have a bleeder is to come to the radiator cap here. Take the radiator cap off. Check your coolant level. Check your coolant level. Crank the vehicle up until you start seeing the bubbles or the coolant rise all the way up. It's going to rise up. And then when it overflows, start overflowing, it'll poof, pop a few bubbles, go down, and then come back up. You done got your air out the system, okay? Then you can put your cap back on. Let the vehicle continue to run for 3 to 5 minutes. Cut your heat on and see how it operates. Okay, guys, that's it, man. That's it. You feel that this video was helpful, which these steps, if you follow, were and are going to be helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. Please give me some likes, some shares, and all that other good stuff that come with it, man. Till next time.